Each disc spindle on the R1FR series cutterbar features a shear pin designed to shear if it comes in contact with a large object in the field. Once sheared, the disc moves up and out of the way of the other discs. This reduces the risk of severe damage to the cutterbar. Operators can replace shear pins in field and get back to mowing in a short time. The R1FR series lays down well-formed, well-conditioned windrows with the industry's widest steel intermeshing rollers at 129 inches. Steel intermeshing rollers are ideal for stiff or solid plant stems. They create well-conditioned windrows across various widths, are well-suited for high-volume crops requiring aggressive feeding. They promote even plant dry down in smooth-stemmed crops, and best of all, they are durable steel rolls requiring minimal maintenance. With a full-width baffle mounted to the conditioner and protective-forming shields that can be adjusted to a narrow 5-foot opening, the R1FR is ready to lay down well-formed, tailored windrows to meet your needs. Using minimal ground pressure, the R1FR's responsive float system moves the unit up and back as it encounters bumps in the field. This dynamic movement results in true ground following and helps ensure a clean, even cut of your fields.